Good morning, Panthers. This video is going to go over the expectations and process for Lesson 1 of the Western Expansion Unit. In this lesson, our objective is to have you activate your background knowledge on this topic while analyzing text and also maps, and to have you identify and define the vocab terms that you'll be using later on in this unit. Taking a look at the lesson, you're going to want to go from the distance learning site to Google Classroom to access and make a copy of this lesson. The lesson is divided up into 4 parts. This 5th part's actually been taken out. So it only has 4 parts and then the See the Teacher part. The first section is agree or disagree. So this is an anticipation activity. What you're going to be doing here is reading a variety of statements about things that may or may not have happened during Western expansion. After each thing that you read, you just want to consider it, think about it, analyze the text and what it's saying, and either write agree, that means you think the statement is true, or disagree, that means something in the statement is false. Or if it's a statement about something you've just never heard of or don't know, you can write I don't know in the space, and that works as well. When you're finished with this activity, you definitely want to see the teacher and find out which ones you got right and which ones you got wrong. This is all part of activating your background knowledge before we start the unit. The next thing you're going to be asked to do is to label a map. There's a video here to show you how to label the map if you need it. Basically, this is a Google drawing, so you have to click on the map and edit it in here in order to color code it. So if you're not sure how to do that, or you didn't do it last unit, make sure you watch this video so you know how to edit the drawings. You're going to be using this key to show if you know the names of the different territories that were added to the United States during Western expansion. Then we get to our warm-up. It's the same warm-up that we did for the New Nation unit, if you can remember that. In 3 words, it's called. So you're going to be looking at these 3 photographs or paintings from the era of Western expansion, and you're going to be trying to explain what's happening in those paintings in just 3 words. And again, if you are unfamiliar with this exercise, you can watch the video from the Today Show by clicking on In 3 Words or clicking on this video here. That's our warm-up for the unit. And finally, the lesson takes you to the terms you should know activity. So there are quite a few terms for this unit. It's actually a very long unit that we're trying to pack into 5 one-hour online lessons, basically. So there's a video that you want to go to find out the definitions and how the word is used in context. So when you're watching the video, a word should be used twice. The first time it's used, it will be the definition. The second time it's used, it's going to be how it's used in context. That means how we're going to use it later on in the unit. It might give you an example of that. The last thing you want to do on your own is to think about these extension questions. This starts to get you thinking a little bit deeper about these particular vocabulary words so that they stick in your head throughout the week when you're learning about the lesson. As always, for these social studies lessons, you want to make sure you go to the See the Teacher at the section at the bottom of the unit, and that allows you to see a full review of the answers to all the activities and a little bit of further explanation about them. Have a great learning day.